Another thing when you're doing this, the reason why I put the motherboard in now on mine, I'm not putting a liquid cooler or anything on the CPU. And if you were putting a liquid cooler on the CPU, then I would suggest putting the bracket on first. But the fan that I've got is an OEM one, and it just snaps into the four holes from the front, so I don't have to have access to it. So that's why I put the motherboard in now, because I'll have the appropriate fan that will snap down and click into the four holes on the front of the motherboard. So that's why I was able to put the motherboard in now. But if you're planning on putting a liquid cooler in, or using a fan mounting system that doesn't clip into the holes, then you're going to have to make sure you install that first before putting the motherboard in. And you can always install the bracket on and just put the screws to hold the bracket on, and then when you're ready you can just keep assembling it and putting the water block and everything on top if you can do that. But that would be the only thing I would suggest there. Now I see here there is one spot where the motherboard goes. It goes on this side. The other side, you see where the power supply is showing through. That's basically right there is where your power supply should go, because over here there's not. It's only a spot where you got the motherboard to mount the studs, and you can see where all the studs are mounted to hold the motherboard to the system.